chains and the niggas using drugs. We reppin' for the gangsta ass gals in the club. We reppin' for them head busters keeping mean mugs. I'ma keep me a slug for one of you fakers. I got 100 rounds, it's 100 imitators. So many wannabes, supposed to bees in the industry. Niggas claiming killer, but they scared of these fucking streets. Believe.
Walk up in the club like a thug, get your ass kicked. Step off in the parking lot and leave in the casket. Acting like a scared bitch, you giggling and laughing. Let me hit that fucking weed, hurry up and pass it. Yeah, they call me Juicy J, the greasy mafia bandit. Got a ride on 24 and something with a candy. Pounds of that weed, yeah, nigga keep it handy. A real bad bitch and a fifth of that brandy.
Yeah, I rock, yeah, I steal, yeah, I put your body in a field.
Now here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me. Now here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me. I say,
yeah, I rock, yeah, I steal, yeah, I put your body in a field.
now here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me. Now here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me.
Now when I pull up at the club, I'm looking so clean. 77 cut dog, penny lime green. The hoes got quiet when I pull up on the scene. For all you ugly assholes, I got a fake wedding ring. Today I'm married and my wife don't play. So if you want me to cheat you ugly bitch, you gotta pay. It's gonna cost $1,000 if you wanna see me play. I'll fuck you sideways by 30 minutes straight. Then clean on my dick, cause I gotta kill a smell. I'll holler at you later, I got more dick to sell. I got more pussy to swell and more dreams to tell. And tell your old man I ain't going back to jail. I'm the last nigga big and I always keep it real. I'm an Alabama nigga representing Mobile, and I live in the mall. I stay dressed to kill. I got so many diamonds they don't even look real, nigga.
Yeah, I rock, yeah, I steal, yeah, I put your body in a field.
Now here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me. Now here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me. I say,
Yeah, I rock, yeah, I steal, yeah, I put your body in a field.
now here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me. Now here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me.
I got 6 fucking ways to kill you, shawty. Got 6 fucking spots to put your body. Got 6 fucking ways to cut you up. And I even got 6 niggas in it to bruh. Now how the fuck niggas gon' talk that stuff? When niggas like us cold shoot the club up. And if you keep talking, we gon' make you one. Your bitch ass nigga gon' catch that cut. Back up in the club, dollar on swole. Sippin' on AO's residue in my nose. Till that bitch 12 deep. Freak bitches at my feet. Hope we're acting like you never seen a nigga on TV. Got my Uzi in my face, in a bird like my Montana. I pray one of you bitches try to step to me with Anna. I pay our niggas Smith and shit. Lost a living legend, still making niggas drunk like 3-time felons. Yeah, I rock, yeah, I steal, yeah, I put your body in a
Now
field.
here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me. Now here I go, bitch, nigga, fuck with me, fuck with me. I say,
Yeah! For the first time, it's going down history, baby. New 3-6 Mafia, featuring 8-Ball and MJG, Young Buck. It's a Tennessee thing. We gotta stay.
till I die, I gotta stay. Till I die, I gotta stay. Till I die, I gotta stay. Till I die. Hey, call me the juice and you know I'm a stunt. Riding in the car with some bumper in the trunk. Then I laugh and you know it's breaking down the good. Get up pimp tight, girl, say I'm the man. Ice on the wrist with the ice in the chain. Ride through the hood, yeah, I'm dripping the grain. In the same while I'm changing the lane. I feel tight cause I'm choking the bitch and messed up cause I'm messing with a D-boy, riding them big toys. Make your man gal wanna get on my team. She gotta give it up when she get in my car. I ain't Denzel, but I know I'm a star. Cause when I'm in the club, I be back in the bar. In the VIP bar, and be buying